Today we're going to be installing this valved Akrapovic exhaust on our 2021 Alfa Romeo Stelvio QV. So firstly, you're going to want to remove the plastic cladding underneath the car. Just start with the 10 mils on either side. And then you have two T25s holding in the fender liner on both sides. And then three T30 Torx bits. And then you're going to want to remove the two T30s holding in the lower bumper. You're going to go ahead and pull this back and get the 10 mil right behind it. Now you can pull this down and release the hoses attached to it. Same on the passenger side, but there are no hoses. Now you can go ahead and pull the vacuum lines. Just twist and pull. Alright, you're going to want to go ahead and spray these with silicone spray if you have it. And then you can take a pry bar and just kind of pop her loose. Now we're going to go ahead and loosen these bolts, 13 mils on either side. And now we can take loose these 15s on either side of the exhaust. Go ahead and spray these and remove the center exhaust hangers. Now that these two are loose, you can take the two 13s loose at the back, get a buddy, and wiggle the exhaust off. I'll nurse it out just like that. Now that your exhaust is off, you can remove the rear muffler hangers. Now we're going to go ahead and fit the new exhaust. You're going to snake it in. Reinstall your two 13s. Go ahead and slip these in. Once your exhaust is fully seated, go ahead and tighten down your 15s. Go ahead and reinstall your two center exhaust hangers. Now you can reinstall your rear hangers. Now you can go ahead and reinstall your vacuum lines. Go ahead and fully tighten the 13s on either side. And now you can put on your exhaust tips and fasten them down with a 13 mil. Now you're going to go ahead and reinstall your plastic cladding. Remember to reinstall the hoses when reinstalling the driver's side cladding.